To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Begin by turning your Ultimate Ears speaker over so that the bottom is facing up. Insert two shim tools included in your kit from newpower99.com into the gap as shown, using them as a lever to increase the size of the gap. Insert a wide-tipped household screwdriver into the gap, not included with your kit. Carefully lever and gently rotate the screwdriver to enlarge the gap further. Open the end cap. Remove the 4 screws using a household Phillips screwdriver not included in your kit. Use a shim tool to remove the compartment cover. Unplug the original battery and remove it. Insert a new battery from newpower99.com into your speaker and connect it. Be sure to position the battery wires away from the screw hole as shown. Align and replace the compartment cover. Replace the 4 screws. Close the end cap and press into place. Flip your speaker over and turn it on. Your Ultimate Ears, with its new replacement battery from newpower99.com, should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge for at least 2 hours before continuing to use.
newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.